Unitree's new $16,000 G1 robot just did things humanoid robots were not supposed to do yet. It balanced on a single rolling wheel like it was nothing. The same robot is now gliding on rollerblades and skating on ice like a trained athlete. We've already seen dozens of G1s perform synchronized kung fu at the Spring Gala festival, and hundreds of millions of people watch them flip, fight, and recover live on national television. But skating on ice and rollerblading like a human is a whole different level. The G1 is crossing every line we thought a robot couldn't cross. Let's talk about it. The first moment that truly captured attention came from a video Unitree released with a clear message that the footage was real and not altered. The company expected people to question what they were seeing, and the video quickly proved why. It showed the standard G1 with its normal leg structure, but instead of feet, small wheels were attached underneath, making it clear that this was not a different version or a special prototype, but the same robot with a simple modification. Then something unexpected happened. The G1 lifted one leg completely off the ground and continued moving forward while balancing on a single rolling wheel, using its arms to constantly adjust and maintain stability without any visible support or hesitation. This was not a fixed routine, but a continuous process where the robot corrected itself in real time while moving on a single point of contact. That alone would have been impressive, but the demonstration continued to push further. The same robot was then shown using rollerblade frames attached to its feet, which instantly changed how it interacted with the ground. Rollerblades reduce side-to-side stability, meaning even small mistakes can lead to a fall. Yet the G1 responded by continuously adjusting its posture and using its upper body to stay centered while moving forward. In one sequence, it balanced on a single rollerblade while gliding smoothly, maintaining control without any visible instability. The challenge increased again when the scene shifted to an ice rink, where the robot was fitted with real skate blades. On ice, there is almost no grip, so balance depends entirely on precise coordination across the entire body, and the G1 adapted by lowering its stance, bending its knees, and adjusting its upper body with each stride, in a way that closely matches how human skaters maintain control. Across wheels, rollerblades, and ice, the robot itself did not change. Only the surface changed, while the same system continued to adapt, clearly showing that it is not just performing pre-programmed actions, but actively adjusting its movement based on real-world conditions. What if you saw a robot skating toward you like this in real life? Would you be impressed or a little scared? Tell me below in the comments. This level of control was already being demonstrated earlier in a different way, before the recent wheel video gained attention. Around 2 months before that, Unitree showed how the same system could scale beyond a single robot and into coordinated group movement. This shift became clear at the Temple of Heaven in Beijing, where dozens of G1 robots performed synchronized martial arts in front of one of the most recognizable landmarks in the country. The robots moved together through punches, kicks, and complex sequences, all timed with high precision, where even small delays could disrupt the entire performance. This was not random choreography, but a controlled system where each robot followed the same timing while staying aware of its position within the group, maintaining formation, and adjusting spacing in real time. What made this more impressive was how smoothly the transitions happened, with the group shifting between movements without breaking rhythm, showing that coordination was not limited to simple actions, but extended into continuous sequences. What started as balance on a single point had now scaled into coordinated movement across multiple robots, showing that the system can handle shared motion where timing, positioning, and stability must all work together. But even with coordination, one major challenge still remains: because controlling your own body and moving with others is very different from controlling something unstable that moves on its own. That challenge becomes clear when the G1 steps onto a skateboard. Unlike solid ground, a skateboard reacts to every movement, shifting under the robot with even small changes in weight, which makes balance far more complex. To handle this, the system learns how the skateboard behaves by understanding how pushing creates motion, how leaning changes direction, and how balance must be maintained while the board moves beneath it. The movement is broken into clear phases so the robot can push forward, ride smoothly, turn, and step on and off safely, allowing it to stay in control while the surface itself is constantly changing. What makes this important is that the robot is no longer just balancing itself, but actively controlling something that reacts to every adjustment it makes. And during testing, the G1 completed full skateboarding runs without human help across different boards and surfaces, remaining stable even when slightly disturbed, showing that it can interact with its environment in a controlled and purposeful way. Which moment felt more unreal to you? Dozens of robots doing kung fu together, or one robot balancing on a moving skateboard? Tell me below in the comments. All of these abilities come together during the 2026 China Media Group Spring Festival Gala, one of the largest live television events in the world, where hundreds of millions of viewers watched G1 robots perform a fully synchronized kung fu routine on stage. The performance included fast group movements, traditional weapons, and complex actions like vaulting and aerial flips reaching heights of 9.8 feet, 3 meters, while the robots moved across the stage at speeds of up to 8.9 miles per hour, 4 meters per second, maintaining formation throughout. What made this moment different was the pressure, because this was not a recorded demo or a controlled test, but a live performance where everything had to work in real time. At one point, when a robot fell, it recovered instantly and rejoined the routine without breaking the flow, showing that the system can handle unexpected situations while continuing the task. What this performance clearly showed was that the same movement intelligence behind balancing, skating, coordination, and interaction could all work together at once under real conditions without resetting or switching modes, which is a major step toward real-world capability. Seen from this perspective, the Spring Festival Gala was not just a performance, but a full demonstration of how far the G1 system has progressed. The same robot that balanced on a single wheel, adapted across unstable surfaces, moved in coordination with others, and controlled external objects was now performing all of those abilities together in a single continuous sequence. This shows that the G1 is not improving in isolated areas, but evolving into a general movement system that can handle different types of physical challenges as they happen. Instead of focusing on one skill at a time, the system is becoming more flexible, more responsive, and more capable of operating in situations that require multiple abilities working together at once. Do you think this level of performance is already enough for real-world use, or is it still just a demo? Share your thoughts in the comments. At the same time, this does not mean the robot is ready for everyday use, because most of these demonstrations still happen in controlled environments where conditions are carefully managed, and real-world deployment will require more reliability, consistency, and safety before it becomes practical. However, what is improving rapidly is the core movement intelligence behind all of these actions, because the same system that allows the robot to balance on a single rolling wheel is what supports everything else you have seen, and as that system becomes stronger, each new capability builds on top of it. This is not just about one robot or one moment. It is part of a larger shift where humanoid systems are moving from simple balance to full real-world capability. Step by step, each breakthrough builds on the last, turning difficult challenges into standard abilities. And as this progression continues, the next stage is not a question of if, but how far it can go.